You know, in the hospitality world, we spend a lot of time and money making sure our guest-facing systems are top-notch. Your point of sale, your property management system, they're probably sleek, modern, and efficient. But what about the foundation? What about the daily crucial operations holding the whole thing together? Well, all too often, that's where things start to get messy, creating these hidden gaps and risks you might not even see. Let's dive into that.
So let me ask you this. Where are your blind spots? Just think about it for a second. That handwritten security log at the gate, the housekeeping checklists on those beat-up clipboards, or maybe it's the maintenance requests passed along through word of mouth or a random WhatsApp message. These are the exact kinds of hidden gaps we're talking about. The operational blind spots that create unnecessary risk, stress, and just plain inefficiency, day in and day out.
It's really a tale of two different operations running at the same time, isn't it? On one side, you've got the modern, data-rich systems that your guests interact with. Everything looks great. But then on the other side, you've got the back-of-house reality, a world of manual processes, a bit of hidden chaos, and data that's, well, it's practically impossible to track or analyze. And that disconnect, that's exactly where the big problems start.
And look, this isn't just about one or two little things. It's a whole ecosystem of manual work. We're talking security logs, housekeeping checklists, maintenance registers, kitchen hygiene logs, those critical shift handovers. The list just goes on and on. Every single one of those paper logs is a potential point of failure, a compliance headache waiting to happen, and a source of stress for your teams.
Okay, so that's the problem. It's a foundational one. So how do you actually fix it? Well, you start by moving away from those messy paper trails and toward clean, actionable data. And the solution is a concept we call digital registers. So what exactly is a digital register? Think of it as a system that's specifically designed to replace every single paper log, every checklist, and every scattered Excel sheet you're relying on right now. It creates a structured process that's completely auditable. But, and this is the most important part, it does all of this without forcing your teams to learn complicated new ways of working. That's the key.
And the beautiful thing is, this isn't some niche solution for just one team. No, this is a single system that unifies operations across your entire property. It brings everyone together, from the front gate all the way to the back kitchen. Let's take a look at how that actually works in practice.
For your security team, this means finally getting rid of that physical gatebook. All your visitor entries, vehicle logs, and shift notes are now digital, time-stamped, and verifiable. It gives you total security control without having to rely on handwriting that can be tough to read or even faked. Now, let's talk housekeeping. All those paper checklists and inspection logs, they get replaced. This means you can guarantee that every room meets the exact same high standard every single time. It creates incredible consistency and real accountability across all your shifts and team members. And what about for engineering? Well, for them, it means digitally tracking maintenance requests, breakdowns, and equipment inspections. And the result of that? You get faster resolutions to issues, less equipment downtime, and absolute clarity on who did what and when they did it. No more guesswork. And in the kitchen, an area with a huge compliance burden, digital logs for hygiene, temperature checks, and food safety records mean you are always ready for an audit. This seriously improves compliance and creates a safer kitchen environment that you can actually prove. But look, not all digital solutions are created equal. We've been talking about the concept of digital registers, but now let's look at a specific platform that has perfected it. SFDP, which stands for Security First Digital Platform. It is designed to be so much more than just digital paper. It's built for the real-world pressures of a busy operational environment. So how does SFDP turn a simple entry into data you can actually trust? Well, it's a four-step process. First, you capture real proof using things like photos, videos, and geolocation. Then, you ensure accuracy with structured checklists so nothing gets missed. Third, you can verify actions with approvals. And finally, and this is really powerful, you can connect related entries, like linking a security incident directly to a maintenance request to see the full story.
So what does all of that really mean? It means your daily logs are no longer just passive records sitting in a book. They become a trusted, usable operational asset. It's data you can finally rely on to make smart, informed decisions about your business.
Okay, so for you as a decision maker, what's the decisive advantage here? Let's break down the clear business case for making a platform like SFDP the very first step in your digital transformation journey. So why do so many leaders choose this approach first? Well, it comes down to 5 key reasons. First, the ROI is immediate, mainly because your teams adopt it so quickly, it feels familiar. Second, you become audit ready literally overnight with instantly searchable records. Third, you reduce that key person risk, so processes run smoothly no matter who's on shift. It's also completely scalable across multiple properties. And finally, it complements the systems you already have without creating any conflict.
And when you add all of that up, the impact on the business is truly transformative. We're talking about a massive reduction in day-to-day operational chaos, a huge jump in accountability, and really significant improvements in compliance and how fast you can resolve issues. All of this leads to the one thing every leader wants: more confidence that the business is running exactly the way it should be.
So the ultimate takeaway here is this. Implementing digital registers isn't just about adding another tool to your tech stack. It's about making your daily work visible, making it reliable, and making it manageable. This isn't about adding another layer of complexity, it's about fixing the very foundation on which everything else in your operation runs.
So, if you're ready to move from that world of hidden chaos to one of total operational clarity, the next step is really simple. You can book a consultation to see exactly how this could transform your property. Thanks so much for your time.